I just bought a B9S4 with 80,000 miles. Any maintenance items you would highly recommend investing in? Seeing conflicting info regarding the ZF transmissions specifically. Serviceable versus lifetime.
Yeah, so there's really no such thing as a lifetime fluid on
Yeah.
an engine or a transmission. The OEMs have been more and more saying that. I think that they qualify that with a certain X amount of miles. Uh, they consider to be lifetime, but no, I would say it's probably a good idea just to, do a full service on the trans and the engine, just so you know where you're starting with from a maintenance perspective. As far as other maintenance items, um, I don't know. We have seen some injector issues on some of these motors that, getting
Yeah.
up at this mileage. That's
It can't hurt to just change them.
it's probably
The 1819s had water pump issues, thermostat issues.
there were water pump thermostat, but I would assume that'd be addressed already. But yeah, not a bad thing to look at.
Overall, they're really solid cars. Just do the maintenance.
Yeah, at that mileage though, yeah, I think the only thing I can think of offhand that would be out of the norm would be injectors.